What's going on, everybody? Just want to make a quick video about my secondary channel, which is going to be called DariusBuildz Extras, and I will have a link in the description below. But basically, that channel is going to be around videos that don't really catch any traction on the main channel, DariusBuildz. Now, I can look at the analytics and I can see the videos that y'all just don't care about. And videos like that are going to be videos on like my RC cars. Y'all don't care about these RC cars, not at all. And the views show that. You know, certain videos around my three-wheeler, y'all don't care about. I need to replace the starter clutch on it. It may be on the main channel. It may be on the DariusBuildz Extra channel. You have to subscribe to it to see. Miscellaneous small little videos y'all don't care about, and when y'all don't watch them, it doesn't push the channel out. So since I still want to record that content, edit that content, and put that content out there, I don't want to hurt the main channel by putting it here. So you still have access to it. It'll just be on DariusBuildz Extra. You know, I have some videos that I did on some Chinese ATV dirt bikes and stuff like that. I haven't put it on this channel because I don't think y'all gonna watch it. So it's gonna be on the Extras channel. I'm gonna have a link in the description. I was gonna try to make a game, like a VR gaming channel out of it, but I just don't have the time to do gaming videos. So I got some videos that's already locked and loaded that I never did put on this channel. Now I'm going to upload to that channel. So if you want to see what extras, little videos and stuff I got going on, check that channel out, subscribe to it, like the videos, and just see what extra stuff that won't be on the main channel. So if you want to see, probably going to be like more vlog, more random stuff that really doesn't have a place on the main channel. The main channel is going to be, as you can see, the LS Swap Caprice, the Mazda when it has another issue. The Yukon content may make it on the Extras channel. It may stay on the main channel. I don't know. I got to go back and look at the analytics on my Yukon, you know, Big Bertha. I got to go back and look at analytics on that. But just this miscellaneous odds and ends stuff. Like, for instance, I have this 110cc motor that's been sitting here for like 2 years that I've been meaning to take apart to see exactly what happened to it. If I ever decide to take it apart, it's probably going to be put on the DariusBuildz Extras channel because I am curious on why it locked up. I think they ran it low on oil. I think that the piston or the rod is all jacked up personally, but I won't find out until I tear it apart. So just miscellaneous odds and ends stuff is going to be on that channel. So if you want to see what stuff I got going on, like I said, it's going to be more raw, more impromptu, less editing. So if you want to see the rougher side of stuff, I mean, maybe you think my editing I do now is already rough. So if you want to see more rough stuff, probably going to be way less effort. It's probably how I'm going to put it. Go check it out. That's all I got for you. So I'm probably going to be taking some videos and uploading there when I get some time that I was going to put on this channel. Put it on DariusBuildz Extras. That's where it's going. Subscribe. And yeah, I mean, that channel probably never going to make me no money. So just go see what I got going on. If you like it, stay subscribed, share it to a friend. Gonna be a lot of random stuff. Might be a lot of fun, might not. I don't know. We gotta see where it go. So, like everything you do, always remember, think, build, and enjoy. I'll see you over at DariusBuildz Extra channel. Peace.